Hello friends, welcome to Suresh Aggarwal's Mathematics Shortcuts. Your one stop for learning the smart tricks, the mental maths tricks, the Vedic maths tricks, which actually make maths a joyful experience for the students. And that's what is the intention, to get rid of the fear of mathematics and help all the students enjoy numbers and calculate most of these things in mind itself. I have a very interesting, a very what do you say, enjoyable kind of concept for this video. So watch the complete video. Amazing thing to learn. This is adding of repeating numbers. Now I'll tell you what are repeating numbers and how you add them using a short trick without writing them one below the other. Now this trick is a part of the Ultimate Guide to Speed Maths, the set of books which we have very recently launched, and I'm going to demonstrate this and you will know the utility of the Speed Maths books. So I'll tell you how to get a copy of this amazing combo. If you are a school student, a college student, or anybody preparing for placement exams, or even getting into jobs like SSC, CGL, UPSC, CAT, MAT, CLAT, railways, banking, LIC, quantitative aptitude is everywhere, and we have covered most of the topics of these exams in our combo of books. They are to be delivered at your doorsteps, right? So if you are a school student, Olympiads, in NTSC, Aryabhat Ganit Challenge, IMO, SOF, all those things will become so easy for you. So spend your summer vacation wisely this time, okay? Volume 1 has 2400 practice questions and video links also for ready reference. Volume 2 has 1300 practice questions, and obviously volume 1 and volume 2 will complete your preparation. How to get a copy? Either you can send me a message on WhatsApp. This is the WhatsApp number 9896369963, or I have put the Amazon links also in the description of this video. So go for it. Let's see the video now, the concept now. So adding repeating numbers. So I'll take a very basic example first. How about adding 1 plus 11 plus 111 plus 1111? See, I'm not missing out on anything. It is pattern. 1 1, then 2 ones, then 3 ones, then 4 ones. What do you get here? Very easy, right? This seems to be very easy. Why? Because how many ones are there here? Maximum number of ones are 4. So just write the counting. 1, 2, 3, 4. And here you have the answer. Yes, you made it. The answer is 1, 2, 3, 4. And what happens if it is not ones, it is something else? If it is multiple of some other number, like suppose I take 3's, 3 plus double 3 plus triple 3 plus 3333. So I have taken 4 again, right? Now basically this is having a common factor of 3. 3 is a common factor, and if I take out the common factor 3, what am I left with in the bracket? It is again the same question, you see. So what will be the answer? I don't want to write this step. I will write it directly. 3 times. Now 4 threes are the maximum number of threes. So I'll write counting up to 4. And then just multiply 3 fours are 12, 2 1 carry, 10 means 0 1 carry. So this is 7 and this is 3. And here you have the answer. Just add using the calculator and you will see the wonder of mathematics. 3 times 1 2 3 4 is 3702, which is the sum of these numbers. Amazing, right? Let's have one more, okay? Then I'm going to get into decimals also. Let's take 8 plus 88 plus 888 plus 8888, and let's take one more, 88888. So how many times 8 is repeated maximum? 5 times, right? So what will be the answer? 8 times. Write the counting. 1 2 3 4 5. And simply multiply this. 8 5s are 44, 8 4s are 32, 36, 6 3, 8 4s are 24, 8 3s are 24 rather, and then plus 3 is 27, so 2, 8 2s are 16 plus 2 18, 8 1 carry, and then the 9. 98760 is the sum of all these 8s. Let's get into decimals also. And before I get into decimals, I must show you, what we have given in this This is an extensive research work, which makes maths very, very interesting and enjoyable. And if you see the video links, see, I opened a random page. Here we have multiplying numbers ending with 1, illustrations, and then QR codes, to just scan and watch the video. If you are not trying to, gather this, you can gather it through the video. And then all these challenge zones for testing your knowledge. And at the end of the chapter, all these answer keys are given for ready reference. So a wonderful, wonderful compilation for all my dear friends. My WhatsApp number is already here. You can send me a message if you want to get a copy at your doorsteps. Okay. So let's see the decimals. Suppose we have 2.2 and then 22.22 and then 222.222, right? Now what do you do here? Let's see. Before the decimal, we have 222 and 222, right? So it's same as the previous question. So I'm going to do it in two parts now. The first part, 2 times, how many 2's are there before decimal? Maximum number is 3 2's, right? So 1, 2, 3. And then 2 times after decimal, you have the same pattern. But after decimal, you have to do one extra step. What is that? Just multiply by the reverse. Now it is not going to be 1, 2, 3. It is going to be 3, 2, 1. Now what do you get here? 2 3's are 6, 2 2's are 4, and 2 1's are 2. And this is 2, this is 4, and this is 6. Now what should I do with these numbers? Since here we have 3 digits after decimal, the maximum number of digits are 3. So what do I do? In this number, I will put a decimal here, and since there is nothing before this, so the first number 246 comes as it is, followed by decimal and then 642. This will give me my answer. Now, had this number been a 4-digit number, I would have inserted the decimal at 3 digits from the right hand side. Let's take an example and understand that. Suppose I have 6.6 and then 66.66. And then 66.666 again, and then 6666.666. So what am I going to do? 6 times 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the first number. 6 4's are 24, 4 2 carry, 6 3's are 18, 20, 0 2 carry, 6 2's are 12 plus 2 14, 4 1 carry, and then 7. Right? That's very easy. Now 6 times the reverse. 4 3 2 1. This is 6. Then 6 2's are 12, 2, 1 carry, 6 3's are 18, 19, 9, 1 carry, and then 25. Now see what happens here. We have 4 decimal places maximum and 5 digits here. So if you put a decimal 4 digits from the right hand side, this number will become, the first number is 7404 plus 2.5926. And my answer will be 7406.5926. Now you can pick up the calculators and check your answer. I don't think the answer will be wrong. That is the beauty of mental maths. So friends, practice these type of things which create a good mathematical aptitude in you, and I'm sure this is going to work a great deal in understanding how maths works in the mind. So if you're liking all these videos, do go for the speed maths books. And I have already put in the description the Amazon links, so you can order your copy today and make maths enjoyable. All the best for the practice part.